Imagine what the remarkable woman whom we reflected on exactly accomplished as an age so young and circumstances so dire for women. When she left home, one can hardly imagine the 21 years old Mary Ward in 1606 knowing what exactly she was to do with the mission instructed upon her, from establishing school for women to imbibing them with the confidence to make their lives worthwhile. Mary Ward is a worthy leader of every woman. So let us now call upon her leadership and guidance through a hymn.